Welcome to another Social Distancing Fun Food Friday. Halloween is about to be upon us, and we want to make sure that you have some awesome Cambiati clean candy options. So we have some fun treats for you. So these were found by our very own dietitian, Cindy Klinger, and we're going to try some different kinds of pumpkin candies. So these come in different flavors. Alana, which one are we testing first?
So we're going to be testing the white chocolate. So it looks like this. And they do have white, milk, and dark flavors.
Okay, let's see. It smells more pumpkin-y than it tastes. It just tastes like white chocolate.
Mm-hmm. I got the white chocolate at the very end, like after I was chewing everything. Like I couldn't taste it at the beginning.
So funny, I got the pumpkin at the end.
Is it supposed to have, does it have pumpkin in it?
It's pumpkin spice.
Oh, pumpkin spice.
Certainly
I
smells
never really
like it.
Like white chocolate. It's really good.
Yeah, I'm not super into white chocolate, but I like it.
I mean, it's very sweet.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I really like this a lot.
Okay. I'm like, it's okay. It's okay.
If you're a white chocolate fan, I think you'd like it.
Yeah. I feel like white chocolate fans could check it out. So we have our milk chocolate, right? Ooh, this guy's formed a little bit better. You can see him a little bit better what they look like when you actually open them up. We'll see. He has a smashed nose, but
Yeah.
Cute.
I know, it's really cute. Okay.
I don't think I'm into that one.
I'm not,
One.
yeah,
I like the
not-
white chocolate more.
They're really smooth and creamy. I will say that for them. The texture's really nice, and these don't have sugar in them. And a lot of things that don't have sugar, a lot of chocolates that don't have sugar, are a little bit more granular. So the thing I will say is they are really like smooth and creamy. And to be fair, I like we said, I don't eat white chocolate really, and I don't eat milk chocolate. For those people that are trying to avoid dairy, also the milk chocolate does actually have, as the name would indicate, dairy in it.
Yeah. I mean, it's not quite as good as a regular milk chocolate. I'm also not a huge milk chocolate fan, but there's something a little different about it. But I mean, I wouldn't turn it away. It's still pretty good.
I think if I didn't know that it was sugarless, I don't know if I could pointed that out.
Mm-hmm.
Agreed.
That's true.
Agree.
I would have thought that these were just a regular candy. I wouldn't have known the difference.
Yeah, there's no weird aftertaste. That monk fruit extract is what's used in it. It's a nice, similar to sugar. Yeah.
Yeah. This one, look, you can actually see his nose on here. I'm so excited. He's like fully formed and not smashed. He's so cute.
Yeah, mine's
All right,
cute too.
Yeah, mine has a little
chocolate.
smile.
Yeah, this is more my jam, the dark
This is
chocolate.
our favorite, the dark chocolate. So let's see.
This is a winner for me.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. This actually really tastes like a true like dark chocolate, like an original dark chocolate.
But it's not like too dark.
Yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
agree.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I would eat this. But if I'm comparing it to the huge chocolates, they are not in the same category.
Because the huge chocolate has coconut sugar in it.
Yeah,
You can't compare a sugar chocolate to a non-sugar chocolate.
Yeah.
true.
Although I will say, like, coconut sugar has low impact on blood sugar, much better quality. So I think if I'm keeping in mind my health and what's going on, I still choose Hue all day long, every day. But if I'm giving this out to trick-or-treaters,
Yeah.
the small packaging is super, super helpful. So, I mean, I think,
With the Halloween theme on it.
yeah.
Mhm.
And I'm not gonna lie, someone brings this down for me, like I'm eating it for sure. But it tasted a little waxy. This tastes kind of like, I don't know if you've ever had, there's a certain unnamed brand name chocolate that has, they use wax in their chocolate, and you can taste it. And this to me tastes like it has with that wax in it. It probably doesn't. I haven't looked at the ingredients, but it's that way.
Yeah, so like you were saying, that I think the one thing to keep in mind is that the milk chocolate has some milk in it, as does the white chocolate. And there's a couple of ingredients I don't love in here. So it's kind of a trade-off, right? If you're giving up the sugar, you have to fill in with something else. So there is corn fiber, non-GMO corn fiber. I think that helps with the consistency and smoothness, and does add a little bit of fiber. But I like non-GMO, but it's still a little bit of corn. And then it has sunflower lecithin. Again, it's like a binder to help it make it smooth and kind of cohesive. And we don't love the sunflower or soy lecithin because it's a little bit processed, vegetable oily. So again, not perfect, but there's no sugar-free solution that is. So I think for Halloween, for like one night, couple nights.
And I will say the other thing that I like about this is the size of the bag. Because let's be honest, we probably have all had someone in our lives or been that person that has bought Halloween candy and ended up eating it all themselves and had to buy more candy. And at least, anyway, this one, you'd be ahead of the game because this
also
is a lot smaller, huh?
Yeah, and also for COVID times, we don't know how many trick-or-treaters you're going to get. So that one small bag might be enough.
Yeah, this might be plenty these days. It'll be really interesting to see. I know lots of different cities are doing different things. They're not doing trick-or-treating where I live. We'll see whether they really don't do trick-or-treating or not where I live. But certainly, I think the size of the bag is appropriate. And I like that they're also individually wrapped. I think that's super helpful. Does slow you down just a little bit. You can count how many wrappers you have out when you're doing your damage.
Unknown caller.
But, well, thanks so much for joining us for Fun Food Friday. And Alana, where should they check out next?
You guys should check out our YouTube channel. We post videos every single week for Fun Food Friday. And we also have our blog, which we post different blogs about food and different knowledge that you should know. And also check out our Instagram. We have so much on there, and we're so excited for a new video. Let us know if you have any suggestions or anything that you've seen at the store that was interesting and you want us to try out for you. And also, if you try Chalk Zero, let us know and what your thoughts are.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.